Alright, here's a revisit to this hotel. I've stayed at this one before. We have 2 York Latitudes right here and a mini split. Samsung. This one's running. This is a Bristol. And this cold and sweaty, so that's running in cool mode. And this one's off. There's the Bristol in there. And there's a few more. Alright, so here's the next bunch. And that one just started up. Daikin's on. It's cold and sweaty. This one's from 2019. This one's from 2009. Here's another Daikin. This is a mini split. This one just started up. The ream is off. And this weird thing, I don't know what it's doing. This has a Copeland Emerson scroll. And it's from 2022. Here's a better look at the data. But yeah, there's a few more. Alright, here are 2 panes and another York. This one's from 2023. This one's from 2020. This one's from 2010. Alright, let's go to the next place. And real quick, here's a Aeon. The fan's right here. Alright. Alright, there's a train. XB13, I believe. With the Comet Tail reciprocating. Another York Latitude. 2009. This is from 2013. It's got a Gentech fan motor. We got a Carrier. Comfort. 2014. With the Copeland scroll. And over here we got 3 more. We have a Carrier from 2014, which is running. A York Latitude. And this ream here. I don't know if I can get the data. 2018. And this York here, I can't get the data on this. And that seems to be it. Yep. Alright. Over and out. Alright, this is the next place. I'm not gonna get the data on many of these since I'm kinda in a hurry. 2005. Here's this little train. 2004. These are off. And there's a little one. I'm not gonna go to that one. There's more. Alright, there's a Mitsubishi running. We got some more trains. And this one's off. Climate Tough Recep. This one's on. Most of these are the same. And then we've got a bunch of Ring Classics down there that I'm gonna get to. It's a bunch more trains, nothing too special. And this one on the end is on. Alright. I got a few reams. And then this weird Ultra's on. This is off and this is off. Data is torn off. Ring Classic. There are all the trains up there. It's a Red Achiever. And this one, 2010. These are just the same. That's the same and this is the same. And I guess there's a few more and that one just shut off. Just a few more. Rude 2006. And next place. Alright, so unfortunately I couldn't find the right store outlets, but this one will work. Here are 3 train XRs. And they all belong in scrolls. I'll get the data on this one here. This one's from 2018, and the rest are from 2018, I think. I don't know if these have been running. I think they have. Here's a Goodman. This is the new style of Goodman. And here's a Ameristar with, I don't know what compressor that has. This one's from 2022. Here's this Ameristar. And it's from... I think that's... I don't know what it's from. Alright, there's a bunch of air conditioners on the roof. There's a Train XR over there. It's a tiny one. Here's this Carrier Comfort series. And this one just shut off. And there's some package units over there. A lot of running over there probably, because I hear some. But yeah. Alright. That Goodman has its fan out, I think. That's weird. Guess it's getting replaced or something. I don't know. This Carrier Comfort is from 2010. And here's a ICP. I think that's from 2005. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's from 2005. Got a carrier. This is a comfort series. That was from 2018. Over here, there's a refrigeration component. And we got 2 carriers on this roof here. Got a Train XB, we got a swamp cooler, and some package units. The data's already faded on those carriers. There's a few. Oh, this one is missing. I don't know. That's kind of weird. What is this? Looks like it got missing, got stolen or something. Got 2 panes, and they're both off. Oh, this one's from 2014. Pain Centuries. This one's the same. We got a Goodman, another Goodman here. Probably from 2023 or 2022. It's got a Copeland scroll in there. It's from 2023. We got an Ameristar. This is on. Got a Comfort with 2 blades. 2014, I think. Yeah, that's what it said. This Comfort's on. $2013. Only one's on. And this one's off. One of these is shut off. I heard that. It was one of these. I don't know which one. And a few more Comforts. Actually, all of them are Comforts except the one on the end. 2014. This one's probably the same. And that's got a Copeland scroll, I think. Yeah, it probably does. 2010 Copeland scroll. This one looks like it got spray painted. 2010. That is kind of weird. Oh, we got it. This one, which is, look at that. That's seen better days. And it's got a hack job on it. 2012. And this one on the end is a Performance. That one's quiet. Data is 2009. And it's got a RU fan motor. And I think the rest... Alright, well... that concludes that one. Guess we'll find another one. If not, over and out. Alright guys, so I finally found the store outlets. Got a Train Odyssey. I get the data on most of these. 2007. And the rest I will not get the data on. Got some Train Odysseys. This just shut off. Got a Train. We got some Daikin's right here. And some mini splits. This one's off. Daikin. Couple Daikin's actually. This one's off. And we got some Train XE1000s. These I think have the 1998. Wow. It's a Carrier. A Carrier Gemini. And that just started up. That Aeon's making weird noises. This Train is on. 1998, I think? Yeah. Got a York, newer one. We got another Train. And we're gonna come back this way. Got a Sanyo that's not on. Another Train. We got a Carrier. 2017. Here's this Aeon. I almost just stopped the video. Good thing I didn't. Here's this Train. 2008. Got a Lennox Merit. 2016. There's this Train that's on. (2014). And this is the last unit, the Temp Star. That shut off. Copeland Emerson Scroll. 2020. Alright. Well, that concludes my 100 subscriber special. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I will see y'all in the next video.